morning, guys. It is April 30th in our devotional. It is Saturday, and I will announce the winner at the end of our little birthday giveaway. But today we have in our devotional, it says, keep the family together. Joshua chapter 24, verse 15. As for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. Exodus chapter 20, verse 12. Honor your father and mother. Then you will live a long, full life in the land of the Lord your God will give you. Proverbs chapter 22, verse 6. Direct your children into the right path, and when they are older, they will not leave it. Proverbs chapter 31, verse 28 and 29. Her children stand and bless her. Her husband praises her. There are many virtuous and capable women in the world, but you surpass them all. Ephesians chapter 6, verse 4. Do not provoke your children to anger, but bring them up in the discipline and in instruction of the Lord. 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 14. For the Christian wife brings holiness to her marriage, and the Christian husband brings holiness to his marriage. Otherwise, your children will not be holy, but now they are holy. Psalm chapter 112, verse 1 and 2. Blessed are those who fear the Lord, who find great delight in his commands. Their children will be mighty in the land. The generation of the upright will be blessed. And at the bottom it says, women, you establish the atmosphere that makes your house a home. You serve without getting credit. You sacrifice yourself for the benefit of your family. Your influence is so important. You're a big reason for your husband's success and your children feeling safe. What is better than a home where a father blesses his family, a mother's prayer to let the kingdom come, and the children play and laugh out loud? You are the glue that keeps your family together. You're the glue that keeps your family together. And that is our devotional for this morning. And it's so true. I wish a million times over that I would have came to Christ before I did and raised my children the right way. Because it's really hard once they are teenagers to change things. Very hard. But that is our devotional for this morning. And I hope you are getting something out of these. And the winner of my birthday giveaway today, I am 46 today. 46 years and a lot of gray hair. But there was one person that guessed 46, run a dog. I'm not sure who that is, but my email is in the description box. Email me your name and address, and I will be getting that birthday surprise out to you. For my birthday. For my birthday, I'm giving to others. So I love you guys very much. I hope you have a very, very blessed day today and a blessed weekend. If you watch Pete, the disciple, he talks about a solar eclipse today, and I tease him that that's when the rapture will happen. So I'm hopeful, but I'm not setting no dates because you can't set dates. It won't happen on that day. But I'm totally against setting dates. I just tease and say, because he gets so excited. I just tease and I say, Yeah, that's when it's going to happen, because it's going to be a birthday present to me. But I'm hopeful for it. But I love you guys very much. And join me on the Disciple server. The link is also in the description. There I do study groups, and Jess does Bible studies, and they do communion, and there's fellowship and newsrooms and all kinds of stuff on there. You should join, because you have a puzzle piece. We all have something that the Lord gives us, and we can't put them pieces together if you're missing, because your piece will be missing. But I love you guys very much, and if I don't see you in the next video, hopefully, today being my birthday, hopefully I see you in heaven. Love you guys. Bye.